Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox Town. First, launch the game from the Roblox platform and select the Town experience. Once loaded, you'll want to get comfortable with the basic movement controls, typically using WASD keys or a joystick, and how to interact with objects and other players. Take a moment to customize your character's look and name. Follow any initial tutorial prompts to quickly grasp the fundamental gameplay elements and start your adventure. Now, let's dive into the core gameplay and exploration. Roblox Town offers a vast map to explore, from the bustling town center to quiet residential streets and diverse shops. Don't hesitate to interact with other players. You can make new friends or even trade items. Keep an eye out for hidden areas and secrets, as they often contain valuable rewards. Remember to use your in-game map, usually accessible with a single click, to navigate quickly and find your way around. Earning money is crucial for progressing in Roblox Town. You can take on various jobs, such as delivering pizzas, working as a cashier, or even farming, to accumulate in-game currency. Save your hard-earned money to purchase exciting new homes, stylish vehicles, and unique furniture to personalize your space. Don't forget to upgrade your existing properties and items to boost their value. Also, participate in daily quests and special events for bonus cash and exclusive rewards. Finally, let's talk about socializing and some advanced tips. Consider joining or creating a family with other players. This allows you to share resources and collaborate on projects. Hosting parties or events at your home is a fantastic way to socialize, meet new people, and even earn reputation points. For creative players, mastering advanced building techniques can lead to truly unique structures. Always stay updated with game announcements to discover new features and participate in exciting community events.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.